Hi guys, this is Tanuja. I am the creator of Miracle Self-Healing Method, and today's video is about the 5 preventive measures that you can take at home which will help you improve your body immunity so you can fight coronavirus in a better way. The first one is please don't be scared of the virus. We have seen a lot of such epidemic happening in the world. We can fight this. So be brave. Don't get scared, because the more scared you become, the more your body immunity goes down and the chances of getting the virus are much higher. So please be protective, take care of yourself, but don't go paranoid or crazy about this virus. It will pass for sure. So first thing is, don't be scared, don't be scared, don't be scared. Just be mindful. Number 2 is your lifestyle, okay? Try to eat a lot of healthy foods on time. Drink hot boiled water because it has medicinal properties in it. Number 3, sleep properly. Your organs should feel well rested and rejuvenated. Okay, that is number 3. And number 4 is do exercises, the slow deep breathing exercises which will really calm your body and calm your organs. So number 2 is your lifestyle, which is really important. Number 3, I'm suggesting a home-based remedy which you can use. The first is, take a garlic in the morning, peel it off, cut it into pieces and drink it with water. Okay, if you can't drink one full, drink half of it because it acts as an antibiotic. Okay, and the second is, I want you to make this drink at home which has got 5 ingredients. Okay, the first one is ginger, the second one is cinnamon, the third one is black pepper, the fourth one is turmeric, and the 5th one is honey. Honey has to be added towards the end when you're drinking it. These 4 drinks has to be boiled in water, and when the water reduces to half, you can just transfer the drink into a glass bottle, okay, and then you can drink it every single day, morning and just before you sleep. So these 2 home remedies, garlic, empty stomach, and second is this ginger concoction which has got a lot of medicinal properties. Fourth is, try to avoid going to public places if it is not required. Okay, use hand sanitizers, use a mask so that you protect yourself. And number 5 is that some herbal companies, some Ayurvedic companies have taken out some immunity boosting medicines. You got to Google that. One of the medicines which I took was Septilin from Himalaya. You can take that medicine or you can take any homeopathic medicine just to increase your body immunity. It is optional. So I hope you can follow these 5 remedies. It is very simple, it is very easy, and the most important are the first 2, okay? First thing is, don't be scared of it, and second is, please take care of your lifestyle and the virus won't be able to touch you a bit also. So don't get scared of it. This thing will definitely pass in some time. So I hope you like this video. If you really like the tips, share it with other people also, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, see ya. Bye bye.